In this module, you will learn about connective tissue. This is network of root that is connect different places together. Like that, in our human body, connective tissue connect the different organs and other tissue together. So, connective tissue is the most abundant and widely distributed in the human body. So, connective tissue consists of cells and extracellular matrix. Extracellular matrix are ground substance and the proteins, fibers. So, connective tissue consists of fibers is made up of protein. So, there are three types of fiber: collagen fiber, elastic fiber and reticular fiber. Collagen fiber is made up of collagen protein. It is most abundant in the body and it is most important for tensile and strength and support. Other fiber are fine collagen arranging in network that provides support framework, and elastin fiber are very thin and highly rectified, provide elasticity. To the functions of connective tissue. First function is protection. For example, skull protect brain. Then supporting functions. So, human skeleton provides structural support to internal organ. Next, connecting and binding. Tendon connect the muscles to bone and ligament connect the bone to bone. And storage functions. Bone store calcium and phosphorus. Transportation. So, various blood cells transport nutrients, oxygen, carbon dioxide and waste material. Function is immune function. So, various WBC lymphocytes provide immune functions. Next, see the classification of connective tissue. Depending on the arrangement of ground substance, cells and fibers, connective tissue are classified into three groups. First one is connective tissue proper, next supporting connective tissue and fluid connective tissue. Next, see one by one. First classification is connective tissue proper. Based on the fluid, ground substance, cells and fiber arrangement, it's again classified into two categories: loose connective tissue and dense connective tissue. So, loose connective tissue has the fewer cell and fibers and have most abundant of ground substance. It's again classified into three: areolar, adipose and reticular. Coming to the areolar loose connective tissue. Areolar connective tissue consists of thin collagen and elastin fiber that appear the large space and more ground substance space are called areola. Such tissue referred to as areolar tissue. It has good blood supply and it present in surrounding organ. Coming to adipose tissue. This connective tissue contain abundant of fat cell called adipocyte and extracellular matrix. So, nucleus presence in the adipocyte cells and filled with the fat droplets. So, it has good blood supply and it helps in storage of energy, act as a insulating organs and act as a cushion. So, adipose tissue presents in the subcutaneous tissue, bone marrow, mammary gland, amenta and mesenteries and surrounding kidneys and behind the eyeballs. To the reticular connective tissue, it is made up of reticular fibers and reticular cell and most abundant ground substance. It is located in the liver, spleen, lymph nodes, around the blood vessel and muscles. To the dense connective tissue, it is again divided into three categories: regular, irregular and elastic. Connective tissue has the abundance of collagen fiber. Therefore, irregular connective tissue has a highly packed collagen fiber, limited amount of ground substance and fibroblast nucleus presence between the fibrous layer. It has not a good blood supply, so it takes long time during healing and found in tendon and ligament. Irregular connective tissue. It consists of collagen fiber but it not showing regular arrangement. So, and has the more ground substance. It has a richer blood supply and it helps in stress and mainly found in the skin and on covering the bone. Elastic connective tissue. It is mainly consists of densely packed elastic fiber and fibroblast cell. It is found in trachea, vocal cord and some artery walls. Coming to the next classification, that is supporting connective tissue, it mainly provides support to the body structure. It again divided into two: cartilage and bone. Coming to the cartilage, cartilage again classified into three categories: hyaline, fibrocartilage and elastic. Hyaline cartilage consists of chondrocyte cells surrounded by a small space called lacunae and has the more ground substance. It has not good blood supply, that's why it takes slow to heal and it mainly found in the capsule of submon, that is synovial joint, and it's mainly found in nose and respiratory passages. Coming to fibrocartilage. So fibrocartilage consists of densely collagen fiber and chondrocyte with lacunae. Fibrocartilage is very tough and it is absorb shock, and it is mainly found in spinal discs and meniscus of knee joint. Coming to the elastic cartilage. Elastic cartilage consists of mainly collagen, sum of collagen fibers and high number of elastic fibers. It has the chondrocyte cells in the lacunae, and it is very flexible, and it's mainly found in ear and epiglottis. To the next classification, that is bone. Bone is the second classification of supporting connective tissue. It has more solid substance, rich in blood supply, provides support and protections, and it has the extracellular portion consists of collagen fibers and mineral salts. Bone cells are osteocytes that is occupy a small space called lacunae. Again classify into compact and spongy bone. Compact bone forms cylindrical structure called the osteon, look like a canal, and inside there is a central canal called matrix rich in blood supply and nerve supply. Then coming to spongy bone, it has the spongy and porous appearance. It consists of a network of bony spicules known as trabeculae. Coming to the last classification of connective tissue, that is fluid connective tissue. So fluid connective tissue again divided into two categories, blood and limbs. So blood mainly composed of floating element and the liquid ground substance called plasma. Floating element are RBC, WBC and platelet. So blood plasma contain protein as well. RBC carries oxygen and carbon dioxide. Platelet provide anticoagulant function. WBC provide immune functions, etc. Coming to the next classification, that is lymph. Lymph is mainly formed from the interstitial fluid from WBC. It is again divided into B lymphocyte, T lymphocyte, so it helps in immune functions. This is about the basic of connective tissue. Thank you.